Hello friends, welcome to the Linux course. I have designed this course specially for the people who want to start their career in the Oracle database technology as well as Linux technology. So this course is going to be helpful for the people who want to start their career in the IT industry, especially as a Oracle DBA, because your Oracle database will be hosted on Linux. If you talk about any technology including your cloud, you should have some basic knowledge about the Linux, and this knowledge I have shared it here in this course. This is a well designed, practically explained as well as theoretical explained concepts are there, and if you have any question, definitely you can reach out to me. In this course I have explained about how you can install the Linux operating system as Ubuntu, as well as I have also explained about the commands that you are using in your daily routine as a Oracle DBA or as a normal person, which whoever is working with the Linux technology. So Linux is a very high demanding technology in the market, and I think it is the right time to start your career with this technology. Thank you so much. Let's begin with the course and let me know your feedback once you are done with the course.